Hello everybody, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika and today I'd like to show you how to put some resin, if I said it right, onto your beautiful piece of art. This is the first time when I'm doing this, but I've been working with resin before, so I know how that works, but I've just never put it on my art. So today it will be first time and I will be putting it on this beautiful pour, which I embellished with some tree of life and waterfalls. I think it will be perfect. This is all you'll need. You will definitely need gloves when you're working with it, and you will also need some mixing stick, some cup, also this measure tool which is useful, and some resin. This is part A and part B. I ordered this online in Czech shop. I'm sure you can order loads of different products online. This is crystal resin, and I mix it every time I do that. I mix it in a ratio 3:1, so it's 3 parts of bottle A to 1 part of bottle B. So today I will be mixing 90 grams of bottle A to 30 grams of bottle B. And I will be doing it in this cup. My canvas is size 50 times 50 centimeters, so I hope it will be enough. If not, I will pour a little bit more. I'm gonna put my cup on it and there. So 0 grams. So now it will be 90 grams of part A. When you're working with resin, it's always good to have it somewhere where you can open your window, or it's also good to wear a face mask because it smells funny. It's a chemical, so be careful when you're working with it. So that's 90 grams of part A, and now 30 grams of part B. So that will be 120 altogether. $18, $19, $20. Oh, it's okay. Now I'm gonna gently mix it so there are no bubbles in there. It's important to mix it very well because this part B and part A needs to be mixed properly. Now that should be enough, so let's take my art. And if you'd like to see how I created this special piece of art, I will put the link down in the description box for you, so you'll be able to see how I created this pour. So now here comes the time to pour my resin. And I'm just gonna pour it like this. And then I'm gonna move it everywhere. Make sure it doesn't touch anything else, because if it does, you won't be able to get rid of it. Be careful when you're working with it. Now, time to spread it everywhere. Now that's the first layer, and I forgot to tell you that it is very important to clean off your art before you start pouring resin on it. You have to get rid of the silicone, and I usually use wet baby cloth for wiping it off, but if there's too much silicone on it, it will be quite difficult to pour resin on it. So make sure you don't have silicone on your art. So I will just leave it here for about a day, and I will come back to it and check all these edges if there's any drips, and then I will pour another layer because I want 2 layers. So welcome back. After 2 days my resin is dry. It looks beautiful and shiny, although there are some little spots which don't have resin on there. I think there was some leftover silicone under there, so I cleaned it off with wet baby swipe, and I'm gonna put another layer of resin, and I hope it will mend this. So let's mix 90 grams of part A and 30 grams of part B. And here's the final result of my resin piece of art. I just love how this turned out. It looks so beautiful when there's resin on top of it. The second layer was perfect because all the dry spots disappeared, and now it's one nice shiny layer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational for you. Let me know if you also resin your art pieces. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye!